I'm a little sick this week, but I was told I don't make a lot of videos, so I'm gonna make a video for you guys. Um, yeah, he's gonna be on my Zane. Um, y'all know about my Zane. Take out those headphones. So I'm just gonna load up. Alright, this is a new app I downloaded. Oh, this one now. It's called Liberate. Let you watch videos from YouTube. I just want to talk about this doesn't work anymore. HD. This doesn't work anymore. As you can see, it's loading. Yeah, I went back to my wallpaper. Let me know if y'all like my wallpaper. Yeah, I just tapped that. So as you can see, it's like a Windows desktop, like you will see on your computer. So, alright, so and then you can make the little, like, you know, double tap or double tap. I'll turn it this way for y'all. Then I got a keyboard on the side right here, so I can type stuff. A little bit like the Zen keyboard, but not really. You just hide that. So there goes Skyfire. I tried to do it, but it don't work anymore. Well, you see, it just blanked out on me. Anyway, I don't know why I did that. But anyway, oh, there you go. So it don't work. Like, it doesn't work anymore. That's all I wanted to tell y'all. It's like, it doesn't work, so don't even bother looking for that hack, because it took me forever just to find this hack. And I'm mad because it don't even work. So let me reboot my device. Let me get that off. Okay, rebooting. So that's all. I just want to make a quick video. And let me make a shout out to Samaj. He goes to my school. Samaj, this is my latest video, you idiot. And I do make a lot of videos. I got like 140 something videos. Something like that. But yeah. So, alright. So now. Alright, homies.